Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, your friendly neighborhood basement dweller, etc. Today I got some interesting news to show you. Malaysian police crush 1,069 Bitcoin mining unit rigs using a steamroller. Wow, if I didn't see the pic, I wouldn't have believed it happened. But I am happy to see that these are just ASIC miners and not actual computers or video cards. It ain't so bad. It's not like I can strip these things down and do anything with them. So the video pretty much speaks for itself. This video, of course, is coming from, I'll post the link, you should check out the entire thing. But man, it does kind of break my heart a little bit to see these things getting crushed. You see, you got the power supplies right on top of those units. These ASIC miners were particularly made for proof of work, and the reason that these things are getting destroyed is because the people who posted them, the people who used them, were stealing electricity from the local power company, and they weren't too happy with that. The government also came down. The police, with the full force available, came down on them, and because of that, we are destroying these units. Well, this is going to make Bitcoin mining easier for everyone involved. So here's the Malaysian paper that actually posted a paper, news group. Anyways, the reason why this isn't really so bad for Bitcoin as a whole is because when you mine, the more people who are mining, it's not like you're getting more stuff out. There's only so much Bitcoin that comes out at any given time, and people fight for the right to claim it. People fight each other for the right to claim it. And if only half as many people are mining this crypto, this Bitcoin, this Ethereum, this whatever, if only so many people are mining, it's just going to make it easier to mine, and it's going to be easier and better overall for the environment, because there's less waste being produced. And of course, when you talk about e-waste, electronic waste in this situation for power, how are you even getting your power? Is it coal? Is it are you hooked up to a hydroelectric dam? Are you nuclear? Because different stuff, man. You can really mess up the environment if you're burning coal and you're using that for electricity. But then again, if you go nuclear, and if you screw up, you can screw up the whole world. We got several nuclear power plants that are down right now, but if you're hooked up to a hydroelectric plant, then go nuts. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Nev from Nev's Tech, but like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, don't be stealing electricity from the grid. This is why we can't have nice things, folks. Have a good one, folks.